Are you running into mysterious issues on your WordPress site, like errors that aren't showing up or features that just aren't working the way they should? Knowing how to enable debug logs can be a game changer, especially when you're trying to troubleshoot or get a clearer picture of what's happening behind the scenes. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the easiest way to turn on WordPress debugging, using a plugin, perfect if you're not comfortable with editing code or core files. By the end, you'll have live insight into your site's activity and errors, all without digging through lines of PHP. Let's get right to it. First things first, let's make sure you're on your WordPress dashboard. You'll want to be logged in as an administrator so you have permission to change plugins. If this feels intimidating, don't worry. This method involves absolutely zero risky file edits, so it's ideal for beginners or anyone who likes to play it safe. Once you're in the dashboard, head over to the Plugins section. It's usually on the left sidebar, nestled near Posts and Pages. Click on Add New. This might take a moment to load up, depending on your site's speed, but you'll see a big directory of plugins ready for you to search. Now in the search bar at the top right, type in something like debug. This will pull up a list of plugins designed to help you monitor and identify WordPress errors. Some trusted options include Query Monitor and WP Debugging. Query Monitor is especially handy if you want to see database queries and hooks, while WP Debugging is great for straightforward logging. Pick one that has solid reviews, lots of active installations, and recent updates. Remember, it's always best to choose plugins that are actively maintained and supported. Think of them as reliable tools in your toolbox, rather than something that might let you down in a pinch. When you found the plugin you want, hit the Install Now button. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds, that's WordPress preparing everything behind the scenes. Once installation is finished, the button will change to Activate. Click that and congratulations, your plugin is now live. If you're nervous about what's happening at this stage, rest assured. Activating a reputable debug plugin doesn't alter any public-facing parts of your site, it just turns on behind-the-scenes visibility. Most debug plugins like Query Monitor or WP Debugging will automatically enable WordPress's debug mode for you. That means from this moment on, your WordPress site is keeping a close eye on any errors or issues that pop up. You'll usually see a new item in your admin bar. Think of it as your detective's magnifying glass, where you can easily view logs, errors, and other useful information. If you click on that, you'll get a detailed report of what's happening under the hood, which makes it much easier to tell what needs fixing or further attention. And that's it. You didn't have to dive into wp-config.php or touch any core files, which saves you time and avoids a lot of risks. Enabling debug logs this way gives you a powerful diagnostic tool right in your dashboard, perfect for troubleshooting plugins, themes, or custom code. Remember, good debugging is like being an investigator. You want all the clues you can get, and this method delivers them easily and safely. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like. It helps me reach more WordPress users like you. Got questions or want advice on which plugin to choose? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to point you in the right direction. And for more practical WordPress tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and good luck debugging your site.